Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today, me and my sister, yeah, that was probably loud. So me and my sister are headed to a Migos concert. We're super excited. My sister definitely loves the Migos more than I love the Migos. I'm a fan, but she loves the Migos. So in a previous vlog, the last vlog that I did, I told you guys we had been to the radio station. So, and I told you in a different vlog I would tell you why we were at the radio station. So we won these tickets to see the Migos. So what happened was I was riding around in my car. I was headed home from somewhere and I heard Migos is gonna be coming to Columbus, Georgia. And I was just like, Migos? I couldn't believe it because Migos is pretty big and Columbus is just like, you know, Columbus. So I was shocked. So I drove home so fast, ran home, told my sister, you'll never guess who is coming to Columbus. And she couldn't guess. And I was like, Migos. And she was like, Migos? We were like freaking out. And so I was just like, you know, we were originally, when I first heard that the Migos was coming, we were just gonna buy the tickets and go. We're gonna go to the concert. But I was just like, you know, we could try and win tickets. Like, why not try to win free tickets? So like every day I had planned for the week to listen to the radio, like all day. I downloaded the radio app so I could listen. So Monday comes along, it's like 2 o'clock and I'm home and my sister, she was working, but she had a break or something like that. So the radio station host, she's like, oh, I'm giving away tickets. You have to be like the 8th caller. And so when she was like, it's time to call, I went ahead and I started calling. As soon as I dialed in the number, the phone line went busy. So it wouldn't let me, it wasn't ringing or anything. My sister called and it started ringing. So both of us was like, oh, it's probably just ringing. It's probably gonna go to an automatic thing or something. No, the DJ picks up the phone and it's just like, what did she say? She was like, what are you doing right now? And I was like, standing up. And I was like, should I sit down? She's like, yeah, you're the winner. And I was like freaking out and it was just crazy. Like, it was just, it was crazy. We ran around the house because we couldn't believe that we actually won tickets on the radio. Like, what are the odds of that? It was our first try. Like on the first try. It's like the first day they were giving out tickets too. Exactly, it was the first day they were giving out tickets. So I just so happened to be listening to the radio because whenever I drive, I hook up my phone and I listen to my Apple Music. But I just so happened to be listening to the radio and we just so happened to win free tickets. So it's just so crazy how everything happened. Like, it's just crazy. We can't believe it. But today is May 11th and we're headed to we're headed to eat. We're gonna eat first and the concert starts at 8 and it's like 6:52 right now. So yeah. So me and my sister got matching shirts from PacSun, and I'll probably show you guys my whole outfit when we get to the concert or whatever, and I'll show you guys the whole shirt. But these are like their official, it's just like the Migos official line for their, you know, second album. So yeah, we're about to go eat. I think we're gonna go to Cheddar's and have to eat fast, and I'm just super excited. Always, I was so hungry. I forgot to show my food before I ate it. But I had tilapia and shrimp with a side of broccoli cheese casserole that was so good. I was really tempted to eat all of it, but I don't want to be too full for the concert so I can have, like, you know, space to jump around and dance around and stuff like that. Thank you. Thank you. So we're here. I'm so excited. Fun fact, this is my first concert ever, so I'm like super excited.
I have a disclaimer. Oh, I saw you. All right, disclaimer. You may hear some things. You may think the song is telling you it's glorifying drugs. I'm just saying this. If you are in here and you are selling drugs, your ass is going to jail. All right? This is for entertainment purposes only, folks. We are not condoning the use or sale of any illegal narcotic. Please make that clear. Oh, lace front. And give it up for Kill. Give it up.
Hey, y'all. Yeah, who did it? I said, yeah, who did it? They can't see me without shit. Yeah. Killer key, I got the shit on me in the streets for the killer feet. I'm trying to kill me. They sick of me. Nothing more than kicking me. Sticking shit like a bumblebee. I'm a broke, they humble me. I can't let the bullshit crumble me. Something before I'm attacking me. But I'm alone. All my bitch be with the shit with me. Tell me if I make some more.
Cause you was fucking with me so hard. So move the hat away real quick. Move the hat away. Move the hat away real quick. You ready? You ready? Hey bro.
What's up, big bro?
I told you when we came to the hold on the spot. He's in the box. Shot me way. Dope in the box. He down the box. Best thing I got. She in my rock.
So the concert just ended and I am so tired. Like that really drained me. I have a huge headache. My eyes are like burning because the lights were so bright, the music was so loud. It was just a lot. And the Migos were 30 minutes late, almost 40 minutes late to get in here. So the concert went on
How they gonna fly from Atlanta and be
longer.
late?
And I thought they were
It takes like less than an hour to get here. Like there's just no excuse.
and I thought that they were already here. I guess it was because didn't it seem like they were already there?
Because the guy said, "Oh, we think we saw Cardi B."
We
and
thought
the
we saw-
Migos dressing room is next
Right.
door to mine. Like he didn't have to lie. Just don't.
Exactly. Exactly. And
Boom.
the thing is, what happened was they were late. So we had already, Plies had come on, all the opening acts had come on. So we were like hype and energy, jumping up and down, you know, dancing or whatever. And then like that died, you know, because they were late. They would have had more energy, you know what I'm trying to say? You know?
Right, yeah, like we were tired.
We were tired by the time the Migos came. But it was just a whole thing. And maybe tomorrow morning when I wake up, I can talk about this more. But right now, I am like completely exhausted. I'm ready to go home, take my makeup off, and get in my bed like as fast as possible because I'm just so, what's the word? I'm exhausted. Like that is the perfect word for how I feel, like exhausted and drained. But I give the concert an overall C-, but like I said, we'll get into it later.